RingEX Manager lets you quickly identify where in your phone system a message is playing and allows you to make quick updates. In this example, a business was having reports that their 4th of July message was still playing, but it was in November. Tracking that down manually would have meant navigating to each extension and listening to each message, hoping to find where the incorrect audio was playing. But with RingEX Manager, I just searched 4th of July and instantly saw the extension that had the incorrect message. A quick update and was all fixed instantly. Not sure what you're looking for? Use the smart drop-down filters to view message types across your business. Let's say you want to see all your IVR menus that play during business hours. Just filter by extension type and rule. Done. Need to make a change? Just click the checkbox on the extension you want to update, then click Upload Audio. From here, you can upload the audio now or schedule it for later. Simple. Next, select what you're uploading. You can quickly create a new message with AI voices, upload a file from your computer, record your own voice directly from your browser, or upload an existing file you've already created with Snap Recordings. In this case, I want to use my existing IVR menu I made for the Toledo location. This is my audio library that has every message I've created so far. I'll just go ahead and use the side panel here to find the AI project where I made my IVR menus. But you could also search by file name up here. Once you find your message, you can have a quick listen to confirm it's the message you want.
Thank you for calling Snap Recordings.
Then click Install Audio. Another window will pop up confirming the installation is completed. And that's it. No more guesswork, no more digging, just clear, fast access to everything that's playing anywhere in your system. RingEX Manager gives you clarity, control, and speed at scale.